Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, found a place with a train tunnel. Where's the train tunnel? There's the train tunnel right there. And we got a bit of a collection.
Come on over here, let's check this out.
Yep. Let me show the collection. Okay, where's the collection? There it is. Okay, so here's the stuff we got. Just got this thing. A bunch of these. A bunch of these bad boys. Yeah. Okay. Double got.
You can see under the bridge.
Yeah.
All the way under the tunnel.
Can't really see way over there. It's because it's raining. When we were getting here, we did see a train waiting. I don't know if he's waiting to get ready or he's still waiting for a train to come. We just don't really know because that was on the way home. Just found another spike. You can hear a train.
On the other side of the water.
Okay. Slip. Jeep track. Okay. Oh my. What did you say?
I think these lines right here are to catch the rocks that fall down so they don't roll onto the tracks.
Pretty smart. No signal yet, but
It's kind of weird that we have lights over here, but they're not on.
yeah, I've seen that on train videos.
Were they not working?
It's like, maybe it's like facing the other. No, it's not.
Oh, maybe it is.
It's like,
yeah, it might be facing the other way. Can you zoom in there and see if it's facing if that's the back side?
no, that's not the back side, but the top one is the back side.
Huh. I wonder why it's not on.
It's only been 3 minutes and 15 seconds, okay?
What do you think this thing does?
Don't get near it. I don't know what that thing does. Okay, there's a warning.
Don't touch it. You don't want to be messing around with stuff that you don't know.
Okay, what is this? So, warning. What is it? It's like grease.
Yeah, it says fill with kelp rack only. Do not fill with grease.
I don't know what that is, but
so then it's got, and then it's got right here, and this is all greased up and dirty. So maybe this is supposed to lubricate the train. So when they come by here, the grease gets on the wheels so that the wheels don't run dry. Maybe they need to be greased every once in a while so they don't get too hot.
I guess, but are you sure you hear a train over there?
I don't hear it anymore, but I heard one over there. There's tracks on the other side of the water.
I didn't see them.
They don't connect to these tracks.
Your train.
Nope. You can go over to that tree.
Okay. And
Make sure you pause your video.
yeah, I will. Bye, guys. Someone's been camping here. I don't know if that's allowed. What do you think trains are made of? You got 3 questions.
A lot of steel.
What else? What else?
Well,
Well, that is it for what are trains made of?
they're made out of steel, right?
Yeah, I bet
And
they're.
then they've got their engines, which are made out of steel.
Uh,
And they got fluids inside their engines and fuel.
What about iron?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
for sure. You bet.
Does that say something?
What you looking at?
That. Does it say
Yeah,
something?
these tracks do have marks on them. That's just water. It's starting to rain pretty good now.
Oh my.
Well, hopefully you get to see a train go through that tunnel. That'll be really neat looking.
The camera's just covered in water right now.
Look at that. You got one dry rock hiding out here for some reason. All the other ones around it are wet. Interesting.
That looks like a mountain. No, that's not. The water is getting on it. Do I hear a train coming? Oh, quick!
Nope. What are you doing? Don't put the camera down there. That's dirty.
I got it.
Let's go ahead and get this video off so we can get it out of the rain. And then if a train comes by, we'll get it turned on again.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys heard that. But, yeah, another collection.
You've got a pretty big pile there, Johnny.
Yeah. Should we take them home?
No, we better not because they're going to need them to fix these tracks.
Okay. These old
That's
tracks.
okay, though. They're going to see them there. You got a good pile going.
Yeah. Okay. But that is
They
it.
got them scattered everywhere around here.
Oh, I remember someone threw a sink down here.
Yeah. Yeah, don't litter. There's no reason to litter. Throwing stuff away is really cheap.
Oh my God,
You don't have to throw it in the woods.
Yeesh. Yeah, but that is it for part 1 of seeing this place. For the
Alright.
first time, it's raining really good.
Yeah, it's starting to rain pretty good, buddy. Let's get that thing cleaned up.
Yeah, but thank you so much for watching this video.
We'll see you soon.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Is it messing with you?
It won't let me end the video.
Well, go ahead and turn it so that it focuses like that. There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, go ahead and stop it now.
It didn't stop.
It didn't stop.
Okay, let's just get into the Jeep truck.
All right, let's see what's going on here.
Probably because of the water.
Yeah.
It's like we got a problem. I guess we're recording live.